Hi students, now next topic is types of alcohols. How many types of alcohols? Alcohols are generally based on types of carbon. Alcohols are based on types of carbons. So now here alcohols are classified into three types, that is primary alcohols, secondary alcohols and tertiary alcohols. First one is primary alcohols and secondary alcohols, and another one is third one is tertiary alcohol. Primary alcohols are denoted by 1 degree, secondary alcohols are denoted by 2 degree and tertiary alcohols are denoted by 3 degree. So first one, now discussing about that primary alcohols. Now first one is primary alcohol. These primary alcohols are denoted by 1 degree. What is primary alcohols? Primary alcohols means what? That is hydroxyl group connected to primary carbon. Hydroxyl group connected to a primary carbon atom, that is known as primary alcohols. Hydroxyl group attached to the primary carbon. What is primary carbon? Generally, when carbon bonded with only one other carbon is known as primary carbon. Primary carbon means what? When carbon bonded with two other carbon is known as primary carbon. So now example, now take the ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol, here this is hydroxy group. This is hydroxy group carbon. This hydroxy group carbon attached to the only one other carbon, that is known as primary carbon. Primary carbons means hydroxyl group connected to a primary carbon known as primary alcohols. Primary alcohols means this is hydroxy, which is the hydroxy group. This hydroxy group carbon, attached to the only one other carbon, that is known as primary alcohols. Now take the another example, CH3, CH, then CH3 and CH2OH. That is, what is the 2-methyl propanol. 2-methyl propanol, this is also primary alcohol. So why? Because of this alcoholic group carbon attached to the only one carbon. This alcoholic group carbon attached with only one other carbon, so that is called primary alcohol. This is also belongs to primary alcohol example. And one more example, now take the CH3, then CH3 and CH2OH. What is the name of the compound? This name of the compound, that is 2,2 dimethyl propanol. This is 1, 2, 3. 2,2 dimethyl propanol 1. So now here this is also belongs to primary alcohols. Why? Because of this alcoholic group carbon. This alcoholic group carbon connected with only one other carbon. So so it is called primary alcohol. This is also belongs to primary alcohols example. Now next one is secondary alcohol. What is secondary alcohols? Secondary alcohols are denoted by 2 degree. It is denoted by 2 degree. Secondary alcohol is denoted by 2 degree. Now here hydroxyl group bonded to a secondary carbon atom. This hydroxyl group carbon bonded to a secondary hydroxyl group bonded to a secondary carbon atom. It is known as secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol means OH group. This OH group bonded to a secondary carbon. See, for example, now take the 2 propanols. Now here hydroxy group, this OH group bonded to a secondary carbon. Secondary carbons means what? This carbon connected with two other carbons, this secondary carbon. Why? Because of this hydroxy group carbon. This carbon is hydroxy group carbon. This hydroxy group carbon connected with two other carbons, one here and another one downwards. So this is called secondary carbon. Secondary alcohols example 2-propanol. It is called 2-propanol. So hydroxy group carbon connected with two other carbons, so it is called is secondary carbon. This secondary carbon, so hydroxy group attached to secondary carbon, so that's why it is called secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohols means what? That is OH group attached to the secondary carbon, so that is why it is called secondary alcohols. And one more example, CH3, CH2, CHOH and CH3. And one more example, that is the what is this compound name? That is 2-hydroxy 2-hydroxybutane. This 2-hydroxybutane, numbering we should start from right side, 1 2 3 4, 2-hydroxybutane. So here hydroxy group, this hydroxy group connected with two other carbons. This hydroxy group carbon means this hydroxy group carbon connected with two other carbons. Left side, this hydroxy group carbon attached with left side carbon and right side carbon. So that's why it is called secondary carbon. This secondary carbon having hydroxy group, so that's why it is called secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohols means OH group attached with the secondary carbon, so that's why it is called secondary alcohols. What about tertiary alcohols? Tertiary alcohols are denoted by 3 degree. It is denoted by 3 degree. Secondary alcohols are denoted by 3 degree. Now here this hydroxy group bonded to a tertiary carbon. What is tertiary carbon? What I said tertiary carbon? When carbon bonded to three other carbons, that is known as tertiary carbon. For example, now take this tertiary carbon. This is a tertiary carbon. Why? Because of this carbon attached to three other carbons. One left side, one is upper side, another one is down lower side. So this carbon belongs to tertiary carbon. So this hydroxy group attached to a tertiary carbon. So that's why it is called tertiary alcohols. So hydroxylic group bonded to a tertiary carbon atom is known as tertiary alcohols. Tertiary alcohols means what? That is this hydroxy group attached to the tertiary carbon. So that's why it is called tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohols example, that is this is called tertiary butyl alcohol. And one more example, CH3, CH2 and CH, then CH3, and this is also CH3 and OH. This is also tertiary example. This is also tertiary alcohol example. This alcoholic group attached to the tertiary carbon. This is a tertiary carbon. This alcoholic group attached to the tertiary carbon, so that's why it is called tertiary alcohol. This tertiary carbon means what? When carbon bonded with three other carbons. This carbon bonded with three other carbons means left side one carbon, upper side one carbon, lower side one carbon. So that's why it is called tertiary alcohols, or that's why it is called tertiary alcohol. So these are the important types of alcohols. These types of alcohols based on the carbon atoms, based on the types of carbon. Alcohols are based on types of carbon. If you like my video, please like and share, and please subscribe my channel. Students, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.